out here to Burgers, Bait and Beer. First time here. Little spot right on the harbor. Check out the view over here. Got a nice little pier. Navy ships passing by. Got a nice cold beer. And yeah, we're just waiting for our burgers. So we'll let you know how it is.
Never think I'm gonna be.
Yeah, here. Wow.
All-American burger with bacon.
Sit back.
And Heavy got the same without bacon.
Yeah. Wait, puppy.
That's a big bow. Let's go look at it. Hey, Ben, let's go look at it. I know. Don't run, wait. What's up, you guys? So we just got here to the dog park. We brought Rover and Chica and we're just enjoying this afternoon. We dropped off the kids with my mom because we've been out all morning, whatever, and they've been getting like antsy in the car and stuff. So we just came here and brought the dogs for a little bit. And yeah, there's a bunch of dogs. Cute ones. Chica over here. She's just being a little bitch. She doesn't like nobody. Any dog that gets near her, she starts barking. There's Rover. Hubby's right here. Say what's up, hubby.
What's up?
So this is the dog park in Kearney Mesa. It's pretty big. That's a cute dog. Damn, look at that beast. Oh my god!
That thing's bigger than him.
Rover.
Dirty?
Yeah, he got you dirty.
Where?
Right now they jumped on you. So this lady just got here a few minutes ago with 2 chocolate brown labs, and she's blowing bubbles for them, and I think that's really weird. I've never seen that before, but apparently they like it. They chase the bubbles like, you know, how kids do, but I think that's really cute. I'm scared.
The little puppy is part wolf too. So he's half.
You see this one right here? Where's my finger? This one right here, this big one. It's not a dog, it's a wolf. Yep, wolf.
What's your name?
And he's coming near me. Oh my gosh.
Hi.
Oh my god, that is so crazy.
Look at his head.
He's not a dog, guys. This is a wolf. Oh my god, get him away from me. Get him away from me.
He's scared. He's fine.
Oh my god. Hubby, please. Please. Oh my god.
Hey, what's up, guys? So we just got home. Chilling right here with the kid. Well, yeah, kid, Anthony. Julian's sleeping. But yeah, man, we had a.
Puppy, shh.
So,
What?
puppy.
So anyway, yeah, we went to Burgers Bait and Beer earlier today, and man, their burgers were freaking amazing. I ate mine and then ate what the one that she left. So yeah, really cool spot. It was our first time there, so really chill spot. And after that, we took the dogs to the dog park. Wait, Papa. What?
Come here. Ben. Wow.
Thank God for this strap. So anyway, yeah, after that, then we took the dogs to the dog park, and yeah, it was pretty chill, man. She finally got to see the wolf for the first time. I always tell her about it, but she's never seen it before, so she finally got to see it. And now we're home chilling. I'm watching The Sandlot. She's about to make me a tuna sandwich.
You're so funny.
It's on the vlog now, you gotta make it.
Fuck you.
And Anthony's just making a mess like always. And that's it, guys. Rover's over here chewing on a bone. That's it. We're pretty much just hanging out. Wait, Papa. Get off the camera. Here. Say hi.
Bye.
Bye.
Say good night.
Alright, guys. Well, we're gonna call it a night. Say bye.
Say good night.
Good night.
Say bye.